Okay, cool. Alright guys, in this video let's discuss what is a data structure. So let's start. Data structure, in the word data structure itself there is a lot of meaning, because there's data and there's structure, which means there's a structure which can hold the data, right? I think you're getting the sense. So there's a structure which can hold data, that is data structure. Simply, that's all. So data structures are pretty much important because they're gonna help you organize the data, manage the data, store the data. So these are three important functions of a data structure. They can help you manipulate the data, manage it, store it particularly. That's why we need a data structure, because we have a lot of data, right? Everywhere we have data, and how will you store data within a data structure? And you can manipulate the data. That is a main motto, right? If you want to manipulate data, how are you going to do that? We're going to do that with the help of a data structure. Okay, pretty much cool. So now data structures allows you to organize your data in such a way that it enables you to store collections of data and relate them and perform operations on them accordingly. Yeah, the most important thing, let's say you have data and you have to store it. Okay, that's pretty much good. But you should use a data structure, because the structure which can hold data, right? You can modify the data. That is most important thing. You have to manipulate it, right? You just don't have the same data every day. You have to change the data, right? Yeah, that those are the important applications of data structures. So there are actually types also in data structure, which I'm going to discuss in the next video. So that's all. Data structure is nothing but a simple structure which can hold data, all right, but it has very much operations, such a complex operations also involved in it. Yeah, that's all. So that is data structure. In the coming videos let's discuss more.